guys, it came. So I have been eyeing this Chanel bag for a very long time. And I put it off for so long that I have now sat through, what is it, like 6 price increases over the past 2 years, like something insane. It's no secret. Chanel has just, their prices have just skyrocketed. And when my friend Kat here on YouTube, when she put this bag up for sale, I was very tempted. I was debating whether or not, did I want to get a pre-loved bag? Did I just want to go ahead and get a new one? And I thought, you know what? I know Kat. I trust Kat. She has sent me detailed pictures of this bag. And so I thought, why? Why would I get a new one? Why don't I just go ahead and get her pre-loved bag? So it finally arrived. Yes, I'm so excited. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and then we're gonna see what fits in this bag because I am very, very curious. I also cannot believe how quickly this arrived. I was chatting with Kat. Wait, what's today? Today is Wednesday and she, I think, put this in the mail on Monday. It's so strange. I feel like sometimes domestic packages take forever if they even make it to their destination. And then international packages are usually faster. Like when I order from Selfridges, it's faster. When I've ordered from Lisa Eldridge, it's faster. And now this, Kat is in Singapore and she shipped this from Singapore. And I thought, oh, I'll probably get it like in a couple weeks. I got it in a couple days. I can't believe it. Anyway, I'm happy about it. I'm just like really confused with shipping these days. Oh, she put a little note on here for me. Hope you enjoy this handbag as much as I did. She's a great bag and she'll serve you well for many, many years to come. Kat. Oh, thank you. Right, and she wrapped it up for me. She wrapped it, like literally wrapped it in wrapping paper. Oh my gosh. All right, can any of you guess which bag this is? Probably, if you follow Kat, you probably know which bag she had up for sale. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna tear this open like a wild animal because she has it taped very nicely. Carefully remove the tape here. Okay, bubble, gosh, thank you, Kat. This is a lot of very, very diligent packing here. This is awesome. And here is the dust bag. So pretty. I wish they would print on the dust bag. They don't do this, at least not here in the States, or at least not at the boutique I go to. Here she is. Oh my God, she looks brand new. She looks brand new. Okay, let's move this box out of the way. So I decided to get from Kat, pre-loved, a black caviar jumbo double flap bag with the, I almost said palladium, that's Hermes, isn't it? With the silver hardware. This is basically a replacement for the bag that was stolen from me. Not that this is similar in any way, that was a denim bag, but this is the same size because that was a jumbo as well. And I just love the size. You know, I had been eyeing a medium flat bag because I've been using smaller bags, but I just love the jumbo size because you can fit everything you want in there and not worry about it. You know, I feel like I'm always kind of negotiating for space in my smaller bags. Like, all right, I'll take, you know, my key off of my keychain, or I won't bring my readers, or I won't put like my wallet in there. I'll take out the cards that I want, you know, which is fine, but it's nice to just be able to throw stuff in here. Oh my God, this is, it really is like brand new. Kat, this is incredible. I mean, I knew I was going to get a very well cared for bag from Kat, because she is, you know, she's just one of those handbag lovers that I know she would take care of her bags. So here are the straps, and here's the double flap. Oh, she put some packing in here as well. And you know what I have to say, what I love, actually, that this is pre-loved, is that this isn't quite as stiff. I know when I've gone in store and, you know, played around with them and opened them up or whatever, this is really stiff, and it makes it very hard to kind of get into like the bag, the body of the bag. But this is, oh, this is great. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I am so glad I went down the pre-loved route here, because yes. Oh, I love it. It's the perfect size. I love the shoulder length, but what I also really, really love about the jumbo is that when you make the strap single, it's like a proper crossbody. You can't do this with the medium or the smaller sized ones, unless it's designed that way, like it's one of those special ones. But in terms of the flat bags, it's just the jumbo, well, the jumbo and the maxi, whatever's larger, jumbo and larger. You can do this with the strap. I love it. Welcome to your new home. Thank you. But look at the quality of this bag. Wow, she really took good care of this bag. It really looks brand new. Holy smoke. Kat, did you even use this? Wow. Well, if you're in the pre-loved market, follow Kat. Not like she does like bag sales often, but when she does, if she has something that you like, I highly, highly recommend, because I mean, this bag is pristine. Absolutely pristine. Oh, thank you, Kat. Oh, I love my bag. So let's see what fits in this bag, because like I was just saying, I've been using like a smaller bag, whatever. I've been like using all these bags where I've had to negotiate for space, where I've had to like take cards out of my wallet or not bring my sunglasses case, you know, I'll just like hold it in my hand when I take them off. Actually, I'm going to message Kat right now. I'm typing to her. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. So pristine. Thank you so much. Oh, she really is beautiful. So sorry, I forget and I don't want to misspeak. So I'm going to put down below in my description box like what year this bag is from, because Kat says it in her video, and I made a mental note of it or whatever, but I've completely forgotten. I think maybe 2014. I'm not sure. 14, 16, around there. Anyway, I'll leave it down below in the description box. But yeah, let's see what fits in this bag. All right, so I've pulled out all of my necessities, all the things that I would want to just be able to throw in here with relative ease. So I've got my keys, I've got my wallet, I've got my sunglasses, I've got my readers, which I now have to throw in there, and my phone. So all of that, without having to arrange anything, fits in here perfectly. I can close this, not a problem. If I wanted to, I don't know, do a better job, I could probably fit, let's see, if I smush this over, maybe stand this up. Does this fit standing up? So I have an iPhone 13 Pro. I don't have the Max, so that I can actually stand up and it fits in here. And that's great, and I can definitely fit some more stuff up here. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Absolutely perfect. Thank you, Kat. Oh, this is so great. So the jumbo classic flap is now going for almost, and I think with tax, it'll end up being $10,000, which is a lot of money. And that is not what I felt like investing in at the moment. But Kat had this for sale for $6,000, so it was like 40% off. So a really, really great deal, and I know I'm gonna use this bag a lot. I'm so glad I did this. I'm so glad I got this bag. I'm so glad I went the pre-loved route instead of getting a brand new one for an exorbitant amount of money. So, oh, this is fantastic. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. And if you enjoy this content, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.